This is Harry. And I'm Chad. And that wandering off is Linda. Harry's constantly trying to get away from her.
You ready to order, sir?
But he's got a plan. He's got one final way to get away from her.
Okay.
His plan may be complicated. May not be. I don't know. He's kind of crazy. But he's alright. In my eyes, he ain't that bad. I've seen worse. Definitely seen worse.
How did you get here?
I've been looking for you the whole time.
You was right with me.
No. You walk away.
Wasn't she with us?
Don't start with this for the bill right now. I know you didn't take the home medication. We gotta go.
Melinda.
Don't start with this Linda thing.
Melinda.
Harry, we gotta go.
He may not be the brightest bulb in the box, but damn it, he's got a heart. And I think that's all that matters. See, Harry's had this plan. He wants to go to Hawaii, but he wants to drive there. He thinks I'm gonna help. I don't think so. It's not gonna quite happen that way. But he did find a vehicle. And I guess this is how we're gonna get there. I don't know. We'll find out.